How to unblock all websites on school Chromebook. So first thing to do is to simply go to your Google web browser and then kindly copy this link that I am going to post in the description down below. So you just have to copy that one, open a new link tab, and then paste the URL. And then this is the thing that you can see, or this thing will show up. All you have to do is to copy that and then open a new link tab again and then paste it. Control V or right click and then tap paste. Click enter. So this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is just simply tap go to site. Okay. And then once you're here, you will see this, but it's okay. All you have to do is just simply click this go to settings again. Or you can also wait as it is processing. Okay. And then once you tap the settings, you will see this one up here. Okay. This is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is just simply open in a new browser. And then once you open a new browser, you can simply search anything you like here. Roblox, you can also search for Twitter, for Facebook, or whatever application that you want to search. Okay. So that's how to unblock all websites on school Chromebook. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.